Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I created this manicure using Deep UK products. But before we start, I just want to quickly mention that I do have a discount code on Deep UK website. So if you use Grace20, you will get 20% discount on your total purchases. So I will be putting the information down in the description box below. So today I will be using two colored powders, and here are the close-up looks. So the first one is in the shade Magenta Mania, and this is one of my favorite shade from their collection. Next is in the shade Wonderland, and this one is a mix of pink and purple chunky foil in a light pink milky base. And for the liquids, I will be using my Deep UK base as well as the Activator. And for my top coat, I will be using my Blue Sky No Wipe top coat. So as always, I will be applying nail dehydrator on all of my nails. This will just remove the natural oil on my nails. Next, I move on to my UNT peel-off base, and I will be applying this on all of my nails. This will just allow me for easy pop-off removal of my manicure. You don't need to apply this on your nails if you want your manicure to last. Next, I move on to my dip powder application, which is applying a thin layer of the base on my nail, and then immediately dip my nail into the powder and then tap off the excess. So first, I will be applying one layer of clear powder on all of my nails to build up the thickness of my nails. So once I'm finished with one layer of clear powder, I brush up all the excess and then I move on to my colored powder. So I will be applying the shade Magenta on my ring, pinky, and thumb. And I will be applying two coats of this shade. This powder is insanely pigmented, so you don't really need to apply multiple layers of this shade. And also, I just want to mention that Deep UK powders are very smooth and butt free, and also they do have a lot of unique colors on their website. So if you are interested with their powders, I will be putting their link in the description box below. So once I'm finished with my Magenta Mania, I move on to my next powder, which is Wonderland. With this powder, I will be doing a different method. Instead of dipping my nail, I lay my nail on top of the powder, just because I find that this method works better with this kind of powder. So after I lay my nail on top of the powder, I use toothpick to clean up around my cuticle area, and then I also use a little bit of Activator to flatten up the foil. So then I brush up all the excess powder. I will be applying this shade on my middle and pointy nail, and I will be applying two coats of this shade. So once I'm finished with all the colored powders, I went back with my clear to encapsulate my nails. This step is optional, but I highly recommend you do this to protect your colors and your design from piling and buffing. So once I'm finished encapsulating my nails, again I brush up all the excess powder and then I move on to my activator. So I spray generous amount of the activator on all of my nails. This will harden up the powder and make it ready for filing. So then after a few minutes, I file and buff off camera and then I brush up all the dust. And then I clean my nails with alcohol spray. You can also wash your hand at this point if you want to. Next, I move on to my Blue Sky No Wipe Top Coat and I apply 2 coats of this on all of my nails and cure it for 30 seconds. This step is optional. You can always use your dip powder top coat if you want to. So once my nails are cured, I apply cuticle oil. And we are done. That's it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next one.